Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to show notification icons on status bar. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and go to Display and Brightness. Again scroll down. Here you can see status bar. Press on this. Now you can see here notification method. Click on it. If you want to show your icon on your status bar, then press on this icon option. That's it. So this is how to show notification icons on status bar. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.